Hi Mo, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna check out the relay dance of Good Boy Gone Bad. Man, I'm just really enjoying this comeback and there's just I don't know if this was every time, but I feel like this time in particular, there's so much promotional stuff happening. Is it just me? I don't know, but I just feel like it's more than last time too. Like every day I see something is coming out of theirs. But sometimes I do wonder, like, I'm not sure, like, what you guys might want me to react to. But also, a lot of these channels, I know they're not gonna allow a lot of stuff and it's just gonna get blocked. So that's why I kind of end up just watching it by myself a lot of times. But still, there is a lot of promotional stuff that I have not watched. And if you guys would like me to check out some particular video, please let me know because there's just so much stuff and I feel like I might miss things. And if you've seen like maybe other reactors react to certain stuff and you know it will not get blocked, then please let me know. I would really appreciate that. But anyway, moving on to what we have today, the relay dance. Man, I just really enjoy relay dances. They're so fun. But anyway, let's go. Hi, Yunjun. Pumpkin in red hair is slaying. Okay, slaying. Ooh, expression king. I love you. Taeyeon's little wo-wos at the back is too cute. Ooh, Subin! Subin was really slaying in this MV though. He really was. Hey! Oh. Whoa. When did Tan what? When did he take off his freaking glove and put it in his mouth? Man, but I just wanted to say, like, Pumgyu is so freaking great with his expressions, and every time he's just like improved with his dancing as well. Like look at his dance, he's killing it. But especially when it comes to expressions, his face is just so expressive and so beautiful. Like especially when I watch fan cams, you cannot deny that his fan cams are just so entertaining because of his facial expressions. Like he just gives it is his 100% and he's just so aware of like how his expressions should be. He's just very good with that. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? That's why I called him like expression king. I love his expressions. Taeyeon. Ooh. Okay. Smooth. Stupid. Oh wow, okay. He went off. Yes, give me. Dramatic. Love it. Dramatic. I love this move. I love this part. Hey. Oh, love that. Wait. okay, first of all, he really hit all of those, like, the whatever with the shoulder thing he did. I don't know what to call it, but he hit all of those perfectly. Like that. That was so good. But all of a sudden, I saw Yunjin at the back. Like he was just staring as though he's evaluating Yunin. Look at the way he's just staring at him. That was really funny. Look at look at Yunjin the whole time. I'm dead. Look at the way he's looking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dude, that was really funny. He just had like sudden eye contact with Yunjin just staring at him. And Subin laughed too. He smiled a little bit. That was really funny. Yunjin's being funny. Okay, Pumpkin at that part at Yunjin's rap. Oh gosh, I just need more of that. I need Pumpkin rapping. Yes.
I like them back.
If he did not kill that, okay? If oh my goodness, what the heck, Pumpkin? That was perfect.
I like them back.
What the? Ooh, that was smooth. That was really smooth. Wait. That doesn't happen in the choreo, right? No, that is not. He just used Yunjin as a prop. That was so smooth. Hey. Amazing. They're so good. This is why I really enjoy watching relay dances. Just the little, oh, that was so cute. Oh, Taeyeon's smile can kill me any day. But like, what was I gonna say? I forgot. His smile really distracted me. Oh gosh. Yeah, I was saying that relay dances are really, really great because you get to see their personality shine. And of course, it's really wonderful because we kind of get to see how different members would be in different parts of the songs, like each other's parts. So obviously, that is really, really fun to see. But man, the highlight for me is definitely Pumpkyu doing Yeonjun's part. That was amazing. I swear I fall in love with this guy even more every day. I swear to freaking God. Oh, I found it. I think it was here. Oh, Tin is so cute. I swear. Okay. But anyway, you guys, this was such a great performance. I really love watching these relay dances. And you know something? I have actually not watched all of their previous relay dances. So I'm thinking to do like one day that I just sit down and watch all of their previous relay dances because I have not until now. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a thing coming up soon. But anyway, for today, this is all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.